showdown no say initially nani pe brenti showdown ase but eventually is unfolding and I want to appreciate even the party executive didn't understand showdown now showdown say mean free race anymore.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Now I'll match you boot for boot.
I see.
Number 2, I'll beat you to the game.
Oh, okay.
I will not allow anybody to cheat me. And so any showdown.
Okay.
And I know now all you need to know. The option of so withdrawal will not arise. In fact, we have made categorical statements or contest anymore. Now, obe mom showdown. Tis a party. Who can say ye koto aba first one you say government official and say party appointee be anywhere obenya kwan aye police station agent normally kotu kwan afa chira koka say afa die omutimi ye ne mom showdown
nteno say omo ye free
omo call reverse.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's
so party appointees will not be allowed to be a
kotu kwan no mo fa yes ah ya mom showdown omo ye free.
Wow.
Yes.
Ballot no Kennedy the kind.
Enti now Alan or my complaints about certain things going on in the party. Being a woman fee, your mom showdown, they've responded. That is what we call showdown. And we are going to show down till the 4th of November.
Wow.
And the warning is that nobody should try to steal because it won't happen. And the Alan equation here, we are still in talks. He's open to talk. And the young kasa.
Say obey your campaign. I'm a Kennedy Agyapong.
Kennedy Agyapong. And that's all Baba can ho. Near consider no as going with him or something. A possibility.
I just am better na man.
Oh, see about my pay me no.
Running mate.
Yes, it's possible.
Oh, sir.
Oh yes, or better still another stake in the party. What said the aye?
It's a bass Ken Eli Kennedy Agyapong engineer. The obetimi you so alanas in the right.
Why not? He's well qualified to do that.
For Dr. Bawumia running. Say bass Kennedy
Agyapong. Oh, I'm sure if you look at the chemistry here. Oh, obetimi say na say ayi MPP ne project Bawumia there can bet me for Najuma Tuanika. Say you know. I mean, look at his bag and where he's coming from. Ken can pay him.
Oh, okay.
Of course, it's a system that is projecting him. Ken can pay him as an employee to manage his businesses.
Hey.
Oh yes,
just like that. Vice President. Oh, Vice President of the Republic. Kennedy.
What are you saying?
Kennedy
Vice President. How did he become a Vice President?
Well, Master.
I feel na woka sa.
Bawumia.
Look, you do go we are also about myself.
If you say it in that context, then I will reconsider my position.
But that would be an insult on Vice President's integrity. Say Kennedy Mafo akoko him business.
So be a factories in any institutions because of your expertise in the conference where you insult. It's not, and it's all fun Vice President and it's an insult. So or we need not fun as a running mate. I say insult. You see the history of our politics. Running mate Benny Afana or you're very active or frontliner. You form from baby.
Okay.
And yes, I know.
That's I'm not building Bawumia to the level he's beyond the.
He's a presidential material now. And to be to my continent, you know, I didn't hire Juma my partner. No, I can't contest him. What does he?
Wow.
Just as everybody does. You see, Yabuana Manabe presidential material status. MPP Abuana Manabe presidential material.
That's a Professor Duwai, Olusi, or Cosako, the fans.
Yes.